Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI, and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's start with the first option, which requires entering a secret code. We have to open the dialer and then tap on the keypad right here. Let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way through the settings. So let's tap on them. Here in this general list, of course, we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And now scroll down again to localize both IMEI numbers. All you have to do is to tap to show the information. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.